Hi traders, it's Nathan here from TradeView and welcome to episode 230 of the Trading Talk series. In today's episode, I've built a model that takes some fundamental trading principles to create a system that will help us trade within a predetermined range. If you'd like to get access to the full episode and 229 others just like it, now is the time to get access to the Trading Talk series. With a new video released every week and new concepts and ideas that you can incorporate into your trading right away. After the last couple of years of the conference being fully online, we're looking forward to having you all back here in Melbourne at the Sofitel to learn from some of the world's best traders. I'm excited to officially announce that Nick Raj will be presenting at this year's Algo Trading Conference. Nick has over 35 years of trading experience and has worked on trading desks in Sydney, London and Singapore. I hope you all enjoy this week's episode of Trading Talk, and as always, all the best with your trading.